Welcome back, guys, and today this is the actual video. Mason Drava. I'm about Don's cop. Don has to go into the house and count for 60 seconds.
Hey Jake, we should play the Trump game. You guys are racist, I'm Trump.
No. Okay, so yeah. Don't go.
I'm like,
Don't start.
2016.
And don't, the cop will, the person who's the cop will record the whole time.
Jake, 2016 Terminator.
Make sure you actually have to point the camera, so you actually have to shoot with one hand and then shoot.
Flakish?
Yes, come on. But you make sure you actually have to get it. Okay? And you
Jake,
can't put that.
we should tape these to our underwear.
No, you can't.
That like tape them to our shirts so when we run.
Don't go. Bro, go on top for 60 seconds.
I say 30.
Just go. Just
30. I gave you guys 30 last time. Jake, I found a bullet. You want it? Mason, come get this. I already have too many bullets. I guess I'm walking back up here. They know I'm gonna win. Look at this beautiful gun. I just killed everybody. And now what? Let's do this. Go count. Then I will come out and kill them. Just like okay, let's do this. Oh, I'm gonna be Australian for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I mean, I'm just gonna cheat. 30, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Screw you! Did that hit you?
I actually couldn't see the bullet.
That hit you. Oh! Jake, that hit you.
No, it didn't. Oh, that was so close. Remember, Don, you get this. Relax.
Time out! Shine! 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 Ah! Did I?
What happened?
Oh, that was good.
What happened?
No, I was right behind the door. He went to. So after I snuck up behind him, shank!
Were you out of bullets?
Check. Jake, your camera's horrible.
It probably is. I didn't get new cameras.
Cam.
I just lost my bullets again.
Okay, who's your Robert this time?
I don't know.
Who lost? I did.
Mason did.
Oh, I did.
Did it hit you?
No, wait, I'm still alive. Oh, yeah.
I shanked you.
Yeah, so I won. Mason, you're the lava. I mean, cop.
I made.
Okay, so, yeah, Mason's the cop now. Wherever he's at.
How many of my balls did you pick up?
Me and my brother, the robbers now,
Look what I had.
and Don has a knife. Sweetness. Oh, I think my mom knows. But so yeah,
I watched it. I am trying.
this is the first one. For if I have enough time,
Right.
I'll do number 2.
Right.
Next, maybe the third Nerf might be going on inside because it might get too dark to record. And yeah, we're gonna do one more wherever Mason's at. Wait, did Mason already still count? Oh no, where's Mason? Oh no, where's Mason at?
Two more.
I don't know.
Have you
No. Where's Mason at actually? Right now he'd be trying to shoot us right now.
Let's have a grenade board. Drake.
Yeah.
Drake, look.
Don't just do a fake grenade at me. That's sweet. No, I didn't. Check over on the ground over here to see if I missed some. Huh.
I wonder if Mason's asking if that if the blizzard's coming out.
So,
I think they are because
yeah, we have to try to find Mason. Okay?
we see Mason.
Listen,
Coming over.
you're the cop. You're the cop.
Because your dad started up the chocolate.
I don't want chocolate.
Huh?
You're the cop. I don't
Drake,
want
this
chocolate.
isn't chocolate.
No,
Twizzler.
it's scissor.
Oh. Okay, so Mason, you're the cop. Have you smoking some fizz?
I believe Lizzie is coming over because your dad started up the charcoal.
Oh, that's because Andrew and Uncle Jeff are coming over.
Oh.
Just kidding.
Are you guys watching the hockey game?
Can you shoot with one hand and then shoot?
I know. Look at the screen though.
It's like
Yeah.
black.
Yeah, you can't see
So,
it.
Drake, you need a flash.
Knock on number 2. Enough war number 2 might be being inside right now. So yeah, we might do a practice round right now, or just go straight inside. So, Mason, what do you want to do? Go straight inside, or do another one out here for practice? Okay, we're gonna do the North Wall inside. Okay. Yeah, this isn't. Don't even think.
Where my gun went? Is my gun outside?
I don't know. Yeah, you might have to turn on some lights in here. Yeah. Okay. So, can you turn on some lights? Some lights, mate. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Come to see you again. And my lace and my soul just came out of my shoe.
Hey Jake, remember our cool base jerseys? Remember these? These were good jerseys. These were our cool base jerseys. Yeah. Baseball. Yeah, we're Kansas City.
Kansas City Royals.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Kansas City.
Okay, so
I farted. It smells like an ant.
done.
Oh, yeah, it
Okay, so Mason's the cop right now. He will be shooting. There you go.
I feel
He's not dead.
You might have to turn the camera around.
If
Huh?
he's not dead by
Turn
the
the camera
time
around.
that fart hits him.
So I can see your face.
Oh,
Okay, so
Mason,
you
that fart's gonna kill you. I won't have to shoot you.
John's on film.
You'll walk out and you just
Yeah, okay,
fall
so
in.
what do you, what? Sydney, you're my best friend.
yeah, his farts are the worst farts in
Now I
history.
have
Of
to
So
course.
you have to say, Mason, Sydney's are pretty bad though.
So are Maisie's.
Yeah. These are pretty bad.
Just-
Okay, you guys ready?
Josie was having muscle
Mason, go
spasms.
into your room, count to 60.
Sid, look at the camera. Sid.
Sid!
Sid. 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 Sid.
Oh, you might have to turn some.
Sid, sit. Sit.
Sid.
Sid.
Sydney.
Sid. Sydney. Sit.
Sydney, boy.
Sit. Hey, let's finish off the deed. I own your house now. I own your house.
Okay, so.
I own your house.
Sid moves.
And may I say, Sydney,
Okay,
I'm
Mason,
sorry.
go into your room and count.
Guys, stop making
Remember,
fun
don't
of
forget
him.
to talk to
He
the
just
camera.
lost. Hey, Mason, he just
And
lost.
point and touch your face.
Mason.
Yeah.
He just lost his dignity. Stop making fun
Point
of him.
and touch your face, Mason. So they can see you.
This is very awkward. Sorry, it's a mess. It's my room. And as you can tell, We live near the Pittsburgh area. So, can you hear it? Again, loud. If I ever sell it, try to sell it. Never sell. I would ever only sell one. You because we have the same clothes on. For months, not the man. They always take the last. Let's do this. Let's do this. By the way, guys, I changed guns into a shotgun. Ow! My God. Movie physics.